Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro exporting error code 3. First thing we're going to do is right click on the start or Windows icon and let's go to settings. From here, let's click on the system settings and let's go to display. Once you're here, let's scroll down and click on the graphics settings. From here, make sure that Adobe Premiere Pro is on this list. If not, you can click on browse and you can then locate on where Adobe Premiere Pro is in your drive. Just add it to the list, and once it is added, click on Adobe Premiere Pro, click on options, and make sure that the graphics preference is set to high performance. Click on save, and the next step is to open up Premiere Pro, and let's go to the File tab at the top left, click on Project Settings, and let's go to General. From here, we will set the renderer to Mercury Playback Engine software only. Once you've done that, click on OK. And the next thing is that if you have an effect on your video clip, for example, I'm gonna add warp stabilizer on one of the clips, and this might cause the error. So to avoid that, you are going to right click on the clip with an effect and click on Nest right here. Click on OK, and that should create a nested sequence and might help in solving the problem. Once you're done editing your video, let's go to the Export tab, and from here, let's expand the video section. Click on More right here, and make sure that Render at Maximum Depth and Maximum Render Quality is both checked. Let's scroll down from here, and for the encoding settings, you can change this one to Software Encoding. Once you have done that, just try exporting your video and see that there would be no errors. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.